Welcome back to Stock Trader School, from rookie to Rainmaker, and this is Market Mindset Mondays, the show where we separate the mental from the technical to bring you one step closer to becoming a self-aware, consistently profitable trader. This week we explore how patience, the rarest trading skill, can be your ultimate edge. Now let's face it, most traders lose not because they're wrong, but because they're impatient. They force trades, exit too early, or miss out on potential profits simply because they lack this often overlooked edge. We'll dissect why patience is so crucial, how to cultivate it, and how it can transform your trading forever. But before we dive in, hit that like button if you're ready to level up your trading game. Let's do this. Why? Because most traders succumb to the instant gratification trap. We are psychologically wired to seek immediate pleasure and avoid pain. It's our brain's way of ensuring survival. But in the world of trading, this biological imperative can spell disaster. The urge to act now, to see quick wins, drives many traders to make impulsive decisions, chasing elusive profits that often evaporate into thin air. Consider the plight of the day trader glued to their screen, heart pounding as a trade inches closer to their target. Suddenly, fear grips them. What if it's a false signal? In a panic, they exit the trade moments before a significant price surge. Just imagine the gut-wrenching feeling of exiting just prior to a substantial price move. That's the agony of acting on impulse. Or picture the novice trader meticulously analyzing a chart, spotting an ideal long entry at a swing low. Patience is key here, waiting for the right moment to pull the trigger. But can they resist the siren call of the market? Often the answer is no. They execute the trade prematurely, ruining a setup that could have yielded substantial profits had they just held on longer. But why is patience so crucial? It's the difference between reacting and responding, between impulsivity and intentionality, between chaos and control. When you master delayed gratification, you transform from a frantic reactor to a thoughtful responder. You gain the ability to pause, reflect, and decide with clarity, a superpower in the volatile world of trading. Think of a seasoned trader observing a market ripe for a short opportunity, a bearish engulfing candle signaling a potential reversal. With patience, they wait for a decisive break below support, ensuring they capture the full potential of the trend. In contrast, an impatient trader might jump into the short position too early, missing out on further price drops and diminishing potential profits. Now let us look at some real-world examples of how patience can turn a good trade into a great one. Consider this chart. A patient trader recognizes the potential of a long trade based on a strong uptrend and positive momentum. Instead of forcing the trade, they patiently wait for an optimal entry point. After a brief consolidation phase, they enter the trade at the breakout of a bullish flag pattern, capturing the full potential of the trend. As the price ascends, their position grows, yielding impressive returns by simply waiting for the right moment to act. But what about when the market takes an unexpected twist? Imagine a trader patiently building a short position on a downtrending chart. A series of bearish candlesticks reinforce their outlook. However, in a surprising turn of events, the price reverses unexpectedly, invalidating the original downtrend. Now, a skilled trader would exhibit patience and discipline, exiting the position once the price action negates their initial thesis. By doing so, they safeguard their hard-earned gains, demonstrating the power of patience in navigating market volatility. You've heard the saying, right? Good things come to those who wait. Well, in the realm of trading, patience isn't just a virtue, it's a strategic advantage. Waiting for the perfect setup can mean the difference between an average trade and a winning one. So don't rush the process, let your analysis guide you. Wait for the stars to align, and when the opportunity presents itself, strike with precision. Remember, sometimes the best move is to sit tight and let the market come to you. Patience, my friends, is not merely the absence of action. It's a proactive stance, a commitment to letting the market play out. Think of it as the quarterback in a high-stakes game. Just as a quarterback doesn't throw the ball randomly, they wait for the perfect receiver to be in position. Similarly, a patient trader doesn't force trades. They wait for the market to set up the ideal conditions for their strategy. In essence, patience is the art of active waiting. It's about staying engaged, observing, adapting, and capitalizing when the opportunity arises. It's not a passive wait, but a dynamic engagement with the market, allowing you to respond strategically rather than react impulsively. This mindset shift can be your key to unlocking success in the world of trading. So how do you train this elusive quality? How do you turn patience from a virtue into a trading superpower? It's a journey that starts with awareness and deepens with practice. One powerful method is through journaling. Regularly jot down your thoughts, your triggers, your biases, and your emotions surrounding trading. This practice helps you understand your psychology, recognize your weaknesses, and develop strategies to overcome them. Over time, you'll become more attuned to your emotional state, allowing you to approach each trade with a clear, focused mind. Another avenue to explore is meditation. It's not just about finding inner peace, though that's a wonderful side effect. Meditation trains your brain to focus on the present moment without judgment. In the context of trading, this means enhancing your ability to stay calm, focused, and rational, even when faced with the most intense market swings. Numerous studies have shown that regular meditation can improve attention span, emotional regulation, and self-awareness, all critical components of becoming a successful trader. But how do you infuse these practices into your daily routine? Start small. Dedicate just 5 minutes a day to meditation or journaling. Consistency is key. Just as compound interest works over time in your financial growth, these small, consistent actions will yield significant returns on your mental fortitude. Let's talk about another often overlooked aspect of training patience: waiting games. These are structured activities designed to enhance your ability to delay gratification and exercise self-control. Think of it as a mental workout for your willpower. An example of a waiting game is setting a timer for 10 minutes and resisting the urge to check your phone or trade during that period. You can gradually increase the duration of these waiting periods as your patience strengthens. These exercises not only help you build patience, but also train you to manage boredom and resist impulsive behaviors. Lastly, let's discuss the significance of rule-based entries. This approach to trading involves establishing a set of rules for entering a trade based on specific market conditions. For example, you might only enter a trade if there's a bullish engulfing candle on an hourly time frame. By adhering to such rules, you eliminate emotional decision-making from the equation. This practice trains your brain to be patient, waiting for the market to signal an opportunity that aligns with your predefined criteria. It's like teaching your brain to wait in line, to be prepared, and to act decisively when its turn arrives. It's your record of growth, your key to understanding your patterns, and your roadmap to improving your patience. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. Subscribe to our channel and join a community of like-minded individuals who are committed to mastering the mental game of trading. Together, we'll navigate the challenges, celebrate the victories, and push each other to new heights.